Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to format a hard disk and USB drive from using command prompt. So let's get started. Go to search bar and type command prompt. As you can see on the top here, command prompt. Go to run as administrator. Select it. Select on yes. Now it will show you a window. Now for open disk partition, you have to type this command. I will show you on the screen. Just type this part. Just check the spelling, this part. Now I will perform it on your screen. I will type this part and just press the enter. Okay. Now it will show you which part of the disk you want to format. Select C, D, E according to your specification and just uh, type list disk. It will list all the disks on your computer, PC, laptop. So you have to write this code list disk. Okay. Now for format in the Windows command prompt, type list space disk. Now press the enter key. As you can see here, it shows my size of the disk drive. Then select the disk and it will format easily. Now you know how to successfully format your disk on your Windows or PC. If you found this helpful, hit the like, subscribe and like my channel and subscribe my channel for more tech tips. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.